Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to enable Clipboard permissions for X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC. This feature is part of a recent update and ensures you can control when the platform accesses your clipboard. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to x.com. Once the website loads, look at the top of your browser, right next to the web address. You'll see a small icon. This might appear as a padlock or an information symbol. This is the View Site Information icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options displayed, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for X. Once you're in the Site Settings menu, scroll down to locate the Clipboard option under Permissions. Next to Clipboard, you'll see a drop-down menu with several choices. Select Ask from this list. By choosing this option, X will now prompt you for permission whenever it tries to access your clipboard. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully enabled clipboard permissions on X. This setting gives you more control over your privacy and ensures that clipboard access only happens when you approve it. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their permissions on X. Stay tuned for more tech tips and updates.